All right, you're signing SHBM here on Pokemon Stand with Silbert. Now, you all know, say, a pure Asante Kotoko news. Ishiasia, na chesi de bremo, mo questions amu bisano, na ya domo sukwa fetchre, na ya kwa kope details no, ede abremo, na etimiama bibia, ede akoyi, ako, wano. So, share this evening, I'm going to talk about Asante Kotoko youth team. We are monitoring in the last 2 weeks. I've been talking about it. Can't want them. I think on Wednesday and not Tuesday. And I'm a catcher said, nobody be a CEO for no. Now I had to do with Asante Kotoko youth team. No, they've been given the financial need, so the announcement will be coming. And it's by and it's about betum na ye de brew. Into announcement in the base ya. Now come on, ye do a chilling no. Afei ni ebisa yetimi ka omso wutimi ka na ne ya chirechirem ne kama production team na san ya adwuma ne biem we production akese no na aba. So we are going to go into details of the Asante Kotoko youth team. Many people are asking questions about the structure of the youth team, the competitions on the ball, the housing policy, their training grounds, or more kids homes and some training in them. So at the end of this video you will understand what is behind the Asante Kotoko youth team. Good. But don't forget to subscribe to this account. But subscription button no sumame. Wow, also person better self. I have another account which deals with foreign football and deals with local league, and local football, blasters, Ghanaian players abroad, which is not Kotoko. And your Kotoko. Channel where Kotoko. To pay all those news are now I search SOTV space football. The SOTV space football. O search abon se ababe da profile mun se obet na me picture ne da ho kama na se obet TV da se obet TV ne twa so short and SOTV space football. No subscribe. You get the latest of information, foreign and local. Na bibia timi akoso kama. Now let's go to action. A brain hop. So this evening Asante Kotoko announced that Kotoko youth team began screening. So the management of Asante Kotoko is pleased to inform the sporting community and its stakeholders that it has concluded scouting for some talented youth team players in various communities in Kumasi to commence our under-17 youth team process. Good. 50 players were scouted by the youth team coaches during the selection process. However, the number will be trimmed down to 25 to form the youth team setup after conducting a 1-week training section with the players at the Adakojache Sports Training Center. The exercise will commence tomorrow, April 29th at 3 p.m. for the next generation of Asante Kotoko heroes to be on earth. The aim is to create a visible and reliable team that can transition into the main team in the next 2 years. Sporting regards, IMC. Statement in the Now let me go into it. First thing you need to know is that the Asante Kotoko youth team head coach and assistant, a coach of Wilson Asare, and a opinion of Imoro Ibrahim. These are the two head coaches for the Asante Kotoko youth team. Wilson Asare, any opinion of Imoro Ibrahim. So David Oklu and Prosper Ogun are not part of the youth team setup, as in the technical team for them. They can give advice, but the more we in charge of Wilson Asare, any opinion of David, any Imoro Ibrahim. Those are the two. Into who share their nature say Oklu is the first assistant to coach Ogun for the senior team. But now I'm say Kotoko youth team no, any started gidi. Na ehun here say an operiod no training ti. Enunti and now opinion of Wilson Asare, any Imoro no part of the senior team. Based on what I've been told, they will still be part of the senior team and help the senior team, but their focus and their job is the youth team, which and no mobile from Otene Kono, Omokoyo youth team ejuma. And that's the first thing you should know. And the scouting process, I'll come to that. But everything technical is on them. 2, I asked the question from behind. He said, the screening of the players, omo anya publicly. Na omo list na wie ansana omo baba in public. This is what I was told. I was told that in order to avoid pressure on the technical team, for them to have their peace of mind to do their job, because Kotoko announcement so justifier. Why they moved away from justified to individual scouting. to get the call before they will trim it down. And when Chibuna made a and come here announcement for justifier, maybe the pressure would have been different. For now, so they decided say they will go around. So from what I was told, this process has been going on for 3 months. Now I can talk about it. 3 months. And they had close to 217 players. And now I'm trimming it down. So some players no coaches now here for close to 4 times. And I'm trimming them down. While others were recommended I'm going to trim and I'm able do this 55. And that's the second thing that you need to know. I will do these 50 players. So that's the second thing that you need to know. 3. All the players are from Kumasi. Players are Kumasi based. The reason is that the directive nearby and except for now, they don't want to open up Bibri, near the pressure back. So they started with players based in Kumasi. Players are moving forward. If you are moving them to the senior team, they are based in the communities near Wahano. And yet discrimination, but a policy. Yemfa ye mrantie na ewo mpotem ha no. Yemfa omo started the base of it. Yekọ enim no, asika ebehye bebre no, expand and we can pick players from other places. Nti we tafo amekum, krofrum, swame, bantama, and oma peke these boys ya, omo ba be screen omo, no ma radio so omo down. Nti that is it. Ewo ho, nti ejoso, kwamo, fumeswa, tech, ahensan, atonsu, Kase, Sokobai, Ahojo, Santase, Patase, and Omayanasa. That is what I was told, information at the moment. Ekwa kusi ebi atafo pankrono, no maybe a swam and makruho, no more sisa, edeko brokrum, sisa, and ye, potemum, ewo kumasa no masasa. And that's the 3rd thing. The 4th thing is that they will be training at Adakwejache, AJ Sports Complex. Those who are asking how Kotoko players we are. Training 1 week streaming down it was in the statement by me Toso. The reason behind the 3 o'clock near say, according to my sources, 50 players no majority SS Buko school. Therefore, the permission need all those processes no then in Kwalan Benya Humaba. But anopad in Kwalani Beko school into Sao Casa Ombra be justify no pa a bedding. Say ebi and the school are ebi releasing it. Therefore, after 3 o'clock there, by 2 or between upon no maba justify. So that is the motive behind Nkwalano A training 3 o'clock. 5th thing, there was a question about clashing with Kotoko training. So this week, let me take this opportunity and announce it to all of you. Say Asante Kotoko training this week Kotoko training once a week. Sorry, once a day. Inti week when you train Asante Kotoko na no pankwa. Send you team beba. My previous video I was telling you about the players telling the IMC and telling the coach say training 2 name bomo. Don't settle on that no. Kotoko 1 pitch. I see all the end of Mugusu ye ho adwuma omunwie e da wo kakra. Inti anopa senior team no ba be na awia junior team ya ba be. The 6th thing had to do with the kids. The kids are from what I was told, players 50 ban obienu signing on. None of these players have been signed by Asante Kotoko. There are coast teams, which I'll come to that. Amomu go ahead. Schools Amomu go ahead to come and part of this of this screening process. But obienu is signed by Kotoko. Therefore, there will be an instruction as to the dress code, but any uniform dress code. Say, in Kwalani nyina Kotoko amomu just debi. In say red red, a white white, blue oba pe blue top fabra, na see black shorts so. Maybe a white top and a white jersey, na see black so. Maybe a red, see black so. That will be the process and the order dress code arrangement. But enya de Nkwala no Kotoko amomu jesi omo bese because obienu e Kotoko player. After so matrimony down no ena omo be Kotoko player. So this takes me to my 7th thing. The players after they've trained them down. This is what I was told. The players on say Asante region. So Kotoko in collaboration with Asante Region RFA, and a Coast League omo boy, omo scouting together with other second divisions, and omo scouting for these players. And then our recommendation so ebe mu bi. Enti sa players here for me. So bia be din be 25 no mu a na Asante Kotoko team no will now go and negotiate with a club abo, whether coast team, whether second division, they will go and negotiate with them. Na omato, na administrative work and paperwork na abaso. After that, no about a bona fide player of Asante Kotoko. So keep in mind, all the players that will be part of the Kotoko youth team, no, eba be Kotoko players, we nye there, ye kofi obi loan, ena obi coast team bi, Kotoko ento no, se club na nto wa, enya de aba be ka ho. The club will purchase you. Ehon krata asem nyina omo no team ne be ye. Ansa na uwi a waba be your player. So we din ebepie mu 25 now. That is the information that I am getting. Now, a non-residential. The 25 players no be non-residential. Enti enye se Kotoko team no 8 tenam de ma one ye se enye se omo be wie no na emrantie no Kotoko ba be house you for now. Housing project and a housing policy be any table no so. Back now Kofi. Unfortunately, these are Nkwala based. So what is likely to happen will be a bus. Say yeah, there will be a bus. Maybe a half for Mubeshia, na bus na farm, a half for Shia na bus na farm, na the maba training. We are na bus na kwa kusisimo, no be a kunifie. Unfortunately, because Omeya Mranti Omu Kumase, na obin free tamale, obin free sunyane. Obin free be obuase, obin free a longer distance, the bus can easily take the players to the right places. Edukosia, Nedwakosia, Edukosia, now ko fie, no akwakoda, adiachia, beshia wahana foul, Nedwaba training grounds. And that is a story that I'm picking with regards to the Kotoko youth team. Indeed, there is no housing policy for now, based on the information that have been given to me. I know ADF Roba. Kids, no, some man being count. After all the 25 players no Kotoko nsa ka omo no na omasa to wawie no na ombe start am omo kits for training into when it do 25 ne dia there will be kits into end obe kono na obi a hye Kotoko atade ba say dey justify number na screen number no obi a de na atade na ebeba eno die free oba. I asked the question regards to omo players a ni enim se Kotoko form the maba form youth team, but say they trade with the senior team. No, obi say Prince Adesa, Bernard Somwa, Peter Aminu Akwa, obi say Nana Benyini. I was told say Nana Benyini ka ho. And I was told obi say Richmond Opoku, Sam Rantie no. What will happen to them? Fatal say do no. I was told say they will not be part of that youth team. Those players will either stay with the senior team. The any more than so any. So we say Peter, we say yeah, someone or more metimi abo, a more opportunity that you senior team abon they will stay. Or more metimi abo will go on loan. They will go on loan. They be able to loan or first division B. They be able to loan or club B. And that is the story that is coming. So or more entimi making they will go on loan to go and play for Team-10 Asante Kotoko, and that is the 9th tenor. Now, the 10th thing has to do with which particular competition and for Asante Kotoko. And what I was told is that the Ghana Football Association urge every Premier League team to form a youth team. So when you form a youth team, you are supposed to play in either the Coast League or regional or the second division. So from what I was told, is either 3 competitions in that table also. Yes, 3. Foreign competitions are in the name of Kotoko the regional Coast League or the second division. And on any normal 3 competitions are at the end of the day when the youth team is officially formed, no many core players are on. But for now, there are 2 years and on the brandy way. After 1 year, they will do another one where there will be the next generation. Into we say generation 1 and after 1 year, maybe at the second year now, generation 1 we are training or more promote to the other senior teams. Yedi ebi ko division 1 near the no. There will be the generation 2. NASA network to asosa. And I was told from official source that this is coming directly from the office of the chief of staff. Inti enya dia eba flash in the pan. It will be handed over to any Kotoko, a young penny for any management or any board. So these foundations and these structures is being set up. Next board abebano. And the other and yes, policy into ba ubetwem and now ba ubeyefo for bebano. Na the other set a foundation no. Now ba beto. So and these are the things that I was told. Enka release no one. But the air when it comes to the Asante Kotoko youth team. Let me see if I can run you through it as soon as possible. So the selection was based on coast football and the two coaches, Wilson Asare and Imo Romuna Yeye. Adakwaja, that's where they will be training. Non-residential is 3 p.m. because most of the players are in the secondary school, in Jompon school and Ombeba. The kits will be given to them after the 25 players have been determined. In the screening process, there's nothing like kits. Either they will play in under 17 Asante regional competition, or they will play in the Coast League or a second division, or again they'll be traveling to outside to play in foreign competitions in the name of Asante Kotoko. All the players will be registered as part of the Kotoko senior team in the GFA system. And me free mu. Inti senior, you better register in Afra. Kotoko to register by 50 players. Youth team 25, senior team 25. Inti those players so bon homo we keep about senior team no. The next week between Akobo youth team no. Send your bruchiri AC no. The ones that were meant for youth team but train with the senior team will either stay with the senior team or go on loan. And that is the information you could tell me when it comes to the Asante Kotoko youth team. I don't know your take. How do you feel about this whole process? There have been times and numbers are Kotoko youth team about Yashisha youth team no, Yashisha kosa diebesi, na fine, boom. But from this one, it's coming from a source that I trust so much. Say, we are all hoping for the best. Again, things that they should do. Kaya camping and our residential, but that is not on the table. Again, it's training field where they can play some friendly matches at Adakwajachi. Nti ehu be hia say ni ya the second pitch no penifo betumi aye ne ntem. The senior team pitch nie na youth team so pitch nie. Nti bia ene anopa no senior team bo ne friendly match. We are youth team bo ne friendly match. Send your pressure emba training field no so bebre. Emma ne maintenance nya den. Cause so training anopa e bia de awia be maintain. So training awia e de anopa be maintain. So imagine if who training yentimi maintain will also have an effect on the pitch. So these are the things that I wish they can do. Residential and a different training pitch, which in Kadakwaja to a second pitcher. But all in all, it's a good news that we are all hoping say a very successful at the end of the day. Nti kakra mi real mu am fire no, and I'm there bro about our Asante Kotoko youth team. Subscribe to the account. Bye bye.